In ancient woodlands, a rhythmic drumming breaks the silence, nature's own percussionist at work. This is the woodpecker, a bird whose life is bound to the wood it shapes. With a chisel-like bill and a shock-absorbing skull, it drills into timber for survival, shelter, and communication. Every part of the woodpecker, from its gripping toes to its long tongue, is a marvel of adaptation. Join me as we explore the mechanics, diversity, and resilience of these extraordinary birds. The woodpecker's story is one of ingenuity, a heartbeat echoing through forests for millions of years. To truly understand the woodpecker, we must look closely at its remarkable anatomy, a body perfectly engineered for a life spent chiseling into wood. Its beak is more than just a tool, it's a self-sharpening chisel, with hard outer layers and flexible inner ones to absorb the relentless impact of pecking. This specialized beak allows the woodpecker to drill into even the toughest bark and wood in search of food, or to create nesting cavities. The bill grows continuously, staying sharp despite constant drilling and wear, ensuring the bird is always ready for its next excavation. Powerful neck muscles drive each rapid strike, while a unique hyoid bone wraps around the skull, acting as a natural shock absorber. This bone structure is unlike anything found in most other birds. The skull's spongy bone and minimal cerebrospinal fluid further protect the brain from injury, cushioning it from the repeated blows that would harm other animals. Zygodactyl feet, 2 toes forward, 2 back, give a stable grip on vertical surfaces, allowing the woodpecker to cling to tree trunks with ease and precision. Sharp claws and stiff pointed tail feathers form a tripod, bracing the bird as it hammers away. This tripod stance is essential for balance and power. The woodpecker family, Picidae, includes over 200 species, from thumb-sized piculets to the giant great slaty woodpecker, each adapted to their own environment and lifestyle. Their size and plumage vary dramatically, from camouflage patterns that blend into bark to brilliant flashes of red, yellow, and green that stand out in the forest. These colors serve as camouflage, communication, and courtship displays, helping woodpeckers survive and attract mates in their woodland homes. Each adaptation, beak, skull, feet, tail, tells a story of evolution's ingenuity, revealing how nature solves the challenges of life in the trees. From the smallest piculet to the largest slaty, every woodpecker is a masterclass in design, perfectly suited to its ecological role. Their bodies are built for a life spent turning wood into food, shelter, and song, making them essential members of their ecosystems. The chisel beak, shock-absorbing skull, and tripod stance are all chapters in a story of adaptation, each feature honed by countless generations. Woodpeckers are living proof of how evolution shapes creatures to thrive in their unique niches, turning the ordinary act of pecking into a marvel of natural engineering. Woodpeckers have conquered nearly every wooded corner of the globe. From Amazon rainforest to northern taiga, their drumming signals a thriving ecosystem. In boreal forests, species like the American three-toed woodpecker thrive after fires, feeding on beetle larvae. In temperate forests, multiple species coexist by dividing up the trees. Smaller birds forage on twigs, larger ones on trunks. Even deserts host woodpeckers. The Gila woodpecker nests in saguaro cacti, creating homes for other desert creatures. Some, like Africa's ground woodpecker, have adapted to life on the ground, digging for ants and termites. The campo flicker of South America forages in grasslands, showing the family's adaptability. Yet woodpeckers are absent from Australia, New Guinea, New Zealand, and the polar regions, barriers too great to cross. Their presence is always tied to wood or a suitable substitute. From mangroves to city parks, woodpeckers have carved out a place for themselves. Their global spread is a testament to the power of a single evolutionary innovation, drilling into wood. This ability has allowed them to diversify and become vital members of ecosystems worldwide. Wherever there is wood, the rhythmic drumming of woodpeckers is never far away. Their adaptability is a key to their evolutionary success. The world's forests echo with their presence. The woodpecker's relentless drilling is driven by the search for food, a daily ritual that is both instinctive and highly skilled. Most species hunt insects and larvae hidden within bark and wood, detecting prey by sound and vibration. Their acute hearing allows them to sense the faintest movement beneath the surface, turning a silent tree into a feast of possibilities. Once located, the powerful bill excavates an opening, but the real magic is in the tongue. Often twice the length of the bill, barbed and sticky. This remarkable adaptation lets them reach deep into tunnels that other birds can only dream of accessing. This tongue snags grubs and ants deep inside tunnels, making woodpeckers expert foragers. Each catch is a reward for their patience and precision. Some, like sapsuckers, drill neat rows of holes to harvest tree sap, returning repeatedly to lap up the sweet liquid. These sap wells are carefully maintained and revisited throughout the season. These sap wells attract insects and even other birds, making sapsuckers accidental ecosystem engineers. Their actions ripple through the forest, supporting a web of life. Many woodpeckers broaden their diet in winter, eating fruits, nuts, and seeds. When insects are scarce, their adaptability shines as they seek out new food sources. The acorn woodpecker famously creates granary trees, storing thousands of acorns for lean months. These communal stores are a testament to their planning and cooperation. Other species use natural anvils to crack seeds or cones, showing surprising problem-solving skills. They use their environment as tools, demonstrating intelligence rarely seen in birds. Foraging strategies are diverse, from deep excavation for grubs to delicate sap drilling and communal food storage. Each technique is tailored to the challenges of their habitat. Woodpeckers are not just mindless drillers, they are intelligent, adaptable, and inventive in their quest for food. Their ability to learn and innovate sets them apart. Their foraging shapes the forest, creating opportunities for countless other species. Abandoned holes become homes for owls, bats, and squirrels, enriching the ecosystem. Each meal is a testament to their evolutionary creativity, honed over millions of years. The woodpecker's diet is as varied as the habitats it occupies, from dense forests to open savannas and even city parks. Their ingenuity ensures survival in changing environments, whether facing harsh winters or adapting to human-altered landscapes. From harpooning larvae to managing sap wells, their methods are as fascinating as they are effective, each one a marvel of adaptation. Woodpeckers are true problem solvers of the avian world, always finding new ways to access food. Their foraging is a dance of adaptation and intelligence, a daily performance that reveals their remarkable minds. In every forest, their resourcefulness is on display, shaping the world around them with every peck and probe. Woodpecker drumming is more than foraging, it's communication. Each species has a unique drumming rhythm, used to claim territory and attract mates. Birds choose resonant branches for maximum sound, broadcasting their presence across the forest. Drumming is their song, a declaration of ownership and invitation to partners. Vocal calls add another layer: sharp alarms, soft mate calls, and aggressive chatters. Most woodpeckers are territorial, defending their patch fiercely during breeding season. Some, like the acorn woodpecker, form complex family groups, working together to defend territory and raise young. Helpers assist with feeding, incubation, and defending the communal granary. The red-cockaded woodpecker also breeds cooperatively, excavating nest cavities in living pines, a years-long effort. Nest excavation is a monumental task with perfectly round entrances and gourd-shaped chambers. Both parents share incubation and feeding duties, raising helpless chicks on a diet of insects. The nest period is a time of intense activity and vigilance. Social structures range from solitary pairs to large cooperative groups. These behaviors reflect the adaptability and intelligence of woodpeckers. Their social lives are as varied as their habitats. Drumming, calls, and cooperation are all part of their survival strategy. The woodpecker's world is rich with communication and teamwork. Their rhythms shape the forest's soundscape. In every woodland, their social drumbeat resonates. The woodpecker family is a showcase of diversity and adaptation, found across nearly every continent except Australia and Antarctica. Their presence is a testament to nature's creativity, with each species evolving unique traits to thrive in its environment. The downy woodpecker, North America's smallest, thrives on thin branches and at backyard feeders. Its petite size allows it to reach insects in places larger woodpeckers can't, making it a frequent visitor to gardens and parks. Its look-alike, the hairy woodpecker, is larger and drills deeper into trunks, reducing competition. This subtle difference in feeding style lets both species coexist in the same forests without conflict. The pileated woodpecker, with its flaming red crest, carves massive holes in search of carpenter ants, a sign of healthy forests. Its powerful beak echoes through the woods, shaping the landscape for other wildlife. The red-bellied woodpecker, with its barred back and red nape, is a loud, adaptable presence in many habitats. Its rolling calls and acrobatic foraging make it a familiar sight in both woodlands and suburban neighborhoods. The red-headed woodpecker, with its striking crimson head, is a skilled flycatcher but now threatened by habitat loss. Its bold colors and aerial hunting set it apart, yet its future depends on preserving open woodlands. In the deserts, the ladder-backed woodpecker's barred plumage camouflages it among yuccas and mesquites. It survives where few birds can, braving harsh sun and scarce water. The American three-toed woodpecker, missing a toe, specializes in conifer forests, following beetle outbreaks. Its unique foot structure helps it cling to rough bark as it searches for hidden prey. Lewis's woodpecker, with iridescent plumage and a swooping flight, catches insects mid-air and stores nuts for winter. Its behavior is more like a jay than a typical woodpecker, showing the family's surprising range. Each species is a unique twist on the woodpecker theme, adapted to its own niche. From dense forests to open savannas, woodpeckers have found ways to exploit every opportunity. Their variety is a testament to the family's evolutionary success, with over 200 species worldwide. This diversity allows them to fill many roles in their ecosystems. From forests to deserts, each woodpecker plays a vital ecological role. They control insect populations, create nesting sites for other animals, and help shape the habitats they live in. Their presence signals a healthy, functioning ecosystem. When woodpeckers thrive, so do countless other species that depend on their work. The family's diversity ensures resilience in changing environments, allowing woodpeckers to persist even as landscapes shift. Woodpeckers are innovators, each species a new solution to the challenges of survival. Their behaviors inspire scientists and nature lovers alike. Their stories enrich the tapestry of life in every woodland, adding color, sound, and movement to the natural world. The woodpecker family is a living celebration of adaptation, resilience, and the endless possibilities of evolution. The woodpecker's drumming has echoed through forests for millions of years, but now that rhythm is threatened. Habitat loss, through logging, agriculture, and urbanization, removes the dead trees they need for food and nesting. Some species, like the ivory-billed woodpecker, are presumed extinct. Others, like the red-cockaded, are endangered. Yet hope remains. Conservation efforts protect old-growth forests, promote sustainable forestry, and create wildlife corridors. We can help by supporting habitat conservation and making our own spaces wildlife-friendly. Every action counts in preserving these master carpenters. Let's ensure their drumming continues to echo for generations. The woodpecker's story is not just about survival, it's about our shared responsibility to protect the rhythms of the natural world.